Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D Show.
Hi, Bill Ryder here from NOARK Electric at the IEEE show in Chicago. NOARK Electric is a member of the CHINT Group. CHINT is a global manufacturer of high voltage, medium voltage, and low voltage components. I personally specialize in the high voltage side, transmission distribution. So products like these is what we sell. And currently I'm working on several projects that have high voltage transformers. We are challenged with very strict lead times, a lot of changing, fluctuating demands from the customers, and we've been very successful in providing them service with our exceptional responsive team that we have here today in Chicago.
Hi, this is Alan Fu. I'm from CHINT Electric. I'm the Senior Sales Manager for the U.S. market. Today, I would like to share some of the trends that's shaping the market for power transformers. First of all, I think is the rapid growth of renewable energy. Second, that will be the great modernization. And third, there's our increasing demand for resilient and efficient infrastructures. So these trends require solutions that are scalable and adaptable. Just like what we can offering from CHINT Power Transformer. Thank you.
This is Alice with NOARK Electric, the AIDC directors. Today I'm very glad to introduce the pad-mounted transformer to you guys. By replacing overhead poles with ground-level concrete pads, pad-mounted transformers can deliver safe, space-efficient, and reliable power distribution. This configuration can not only reduce installation cost, but also significantly minimize system downtime for sure. Where can you find the solutions with the pad-mounted transformers? Pad-mounted transformers can fit into solutions requiring space-saving, safe, and reliable power distribution, acting the bridge between high-voltage grid lines and residential, commercial, industrial, and users where overhead lines are impractical and undesirable. Thank you a lot.